Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Sneha Lakshika, and today I am going to discuss a problem that I think existing in you for a very long time. Now I wanted to correct it before going deep into it. Okay. All of us, we want to learn good English, we want fluency in our English language, but we are not actually really able to do it. It is because the thing is very basic which is missing that I want to point out today, so you can correct it. The problem is, instead of speaking English, you are learning so much around the English, about the English. Are you getting my point, what I am saying? Instead of speaking English, you are learning so much around the English, about the English. The point is, you are not speaking enough. The practice of speaking language is not enough. No matter how much you learn about the English, if you are not putting any efforts in your speaking English, nothing much is going to change into in your speaking. Genuinely. See, if you are watching my video, that means you are liking the way I am speaking, right? But have you ever noticed that I use very most simple and ordinary words in my speaking? I never use such kind of very fancy or extraordinary words. I use very most simple words, so that everyone can understand me. This is exactly that I want you to do, and don't need to do any other thing. Don't stuck yourself into learning new rules, grammar rules, new vocabulary. Be simple. Let your English very simple. Use a simple word, because you just have to speak, not to do PhD on English language, right? So use very simple words. I don't want you to to learn so much about the English. The thing is, which is the most needed, if that thing is missing in your learning, then what is the point of what is the point of doing all of this? What is the point of watching shows or anything? You cannot deny, you are watching a lot of shows, you are practicing exercises, you are reading articles in English, you are learning. That means you are doing so much. The most important thing, that is speaking, is still missing. Where is your practicing English? Let an example of American people who speak in English. They never learn any rules or grammar rule. Let's take your example. We never learn the Hindi grammar rule. What is the rule of it? And we never learn it. But still, we are speaking Hindi very commonly. We don't have to heard, because we practice of it, right? We are reading flawless English, we are pronouncing good or doing everything, but still we are not speaking. Everything get backside to you, and give your first priority to your speaking. Like, we give 100 hours in our learning English. Imagine, imagine, had these had you not given those 100 hours to you learning English, and had those 100 hours give it to your speaking, with your physical mouth speaking, don't you think it will benefit to you? Are you getting my point? If you just devote some hours, some time in your speaking English, I'm very sure that will really help you so much. I swear, it's my heart feel that I am telling you. It will really impact you a lot. Okay, I think I have done. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. The name has given below, Sneha Lakshika 221.